Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to offer a discount on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you actually opened your browser, just go to the URL section and type etsy.com. And that will take you to this page. And of course, if you are logged in already into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner, instead of all these icons, a sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in or even to create into your you create an account or even log in into your account. Of course, you'll be able to do both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Once you did one of the options, you'll find yourself here with this home page, as we said, with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to offer a discount to someone. So simply, if you want to do that, just go to your shop manager. At the top right corner, shop icon, click on it, and that will take you into this page. Of course, from this page, you would like to click at the marketing tab here at the left. Once you click on it, you would like to click at sales and discounts. From here, you will have this page. Of course, here you would like to click at create a promo code. And here, of course, you will have to choose the discount amount, which is going to be here. Of course, order a minimum and duration, and even the custom promo code. You can use whatever you want. So when you finish, click as continue and you'll be good to go. And whoever try to use that promo code, it will be available just on your shop, not on other people's shop. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.